Are you looking for the best spark plugs for your Toyota Tacoma? In this video, we'll outline the best options for spark plugs for your truck and help you choose the right ones for your needs. We'll also provide a guide on how to replace your spark plugs, so you can keep your truck running smoothly and efficiently. So let's get started with the list. List number 1, Toyota Genuine Spark Plug. Toyota Genuine Parts spark plugs are designed to provide the optimum combustion performance and durability, while maintaining a high level of power and efficiency. By providing a more complete coverage of all electrode surfaces as well as better contact, these plugs deliver improved engine performance, durability, which could lead to longer engine life. Your Toyota relies on your spark plugs to keep it running at its best. With oxygen-free fuel, high temperatures and an abundance of air, spark plug wire boots can quickly overheat and melt. That's why it's important to buy the right Toyota Genuine Parts spark plugs that competitively match those in your vehicle. Made with only the highest quality materials and designed specifically for your vehicle, we're confident that these parts will meet all of your needs. They are genuine OEM, meaning they are exactly made to fit your car and have the right components to perform correctly. When you choose a genuine Toyota spark plug, you can sleep at night knowing you've made the right choice and that you're protecting your investment. List number 2, NGK 7090 BKR5 EGPG Power Spark Plug. NGK 7090 BKR5 Egyptian Pound spark plugs are designed for high-performance engines, featuring premium components and long-lasting durability. They provide excellent fuel efficiency and power over the life of the engine. This plug is especially excellent for racing applications, thanks to its precision platinum tip that prevents fouling. The special alloy high-energy core increases engine performance and extends spark life. A flexible design fits any cylinder head valve size or adaptation kits. NGK BKR5 EGPG Power Spark Plug is designed to provide advanced spark energy, ideal for engines with high performance requirements and significantly better fuel economy than before. The increased resistance to heat, which oscillates between the gap of electrodes, ensures that the engine operates in good condition. This superior reliability is backed by user-friendly features such as the short service life of conventional plugs and miniature electrodes, making replacement easy and fast. Suitable for high performance and up to 100,000 km service intervals. List number 3, 6 new NGK Iridium iX spark plugs BKR5EIX. Our 6 new NGK Iridium iX spark plugs are the same plugs that are used in NHRA stock cars and race series. Recommended by the manufacturer, they will produce more horsepower and deliver a smooth, powerful fun factor as well. These are the original NGK Iridium iX plugs. They were originally replaced at 36,000 miles. These plugs run well in my 2007 red BMW 635Ci Series 3. This NGK Iridium iX spark plug brings a world of difference to your engine with more power, smoother running and better fuel economy. The Iridium iX has a higher than regular platinum content which increases the heat resistance in the combustion chamber for an even hotter spark, resulting in increased power, reduced emissions and lower operating temperatures. These are the highest performance spark plugs on the market, designed to give you the most efficient and powerful output with the least amount of work. They're built with a double shell construction and have a special coating that helps prevent fouling and dielectric breakdown, resulting in longer plug life. List number 4, NGK 4302 BKR5 EKPB11 Laser Platinum Spark Plug. NGK 4302 BKR5 EKPB11 Laser Platinum Spark Plug is manufactured to deliver excellent fuel ignition and throttle response. This spark plug features corrugated ribs, pure alumina silicate ceramic insulator for greater strength and better heat transfer, copper core and triple interior seal. It can be installed easily and comes with a genuine NGK printed head on the top of the chrome cap. Engineered for the most demanding performance and durability. Multi-ground electrodes provide better ignition capabilities and are less sensitive to increased voltage requirement. Corrugated ribs, Pure alumina silicate ceramic insulator for greater strength and better heat transfer. Copper core triple interior seal for maximum heat transfer give you the horsepower you need along with exceptional ignition characteristics. They utilize the latest technology to improve the performance of stock or modified engines. List number 5. E3 Spark Plug E3.48 Automotive Spark Plug. The EF3.48 spark plug has a small hole in the center electrode which is used to run a ground wire to help reduce any detrimental effects of aeronautical combustion. The ground electrode also helps provide optimal performance for a guaranteed 5 years or 100,000 miles. This spark plug was designed by Hexcel, who is known for developing technologies that cater to global OEM requirements. This spark plug is a 12 mm 0.750 reach spark plug with a gasket seat. It has a tombstone-type ground electrode and a full-size center electrode. This E3 spark plug has 3 legs securing the diamond fire electrode to the shell and helps create more turbulence in the cylinder for better fuel economy, power and hydrocarbon emission. The patented diamond fire side wire is proven to increase power, reduce fuel consumption, improve hydrocarbon emissions and increase durability up to the end of its life cycle.